about this.
I can't even open the door. I can't. Okay.
Morning, guys. Not so much morning, more like afternoon. It's after 12. We all got up around 11. So we have had a late start to the day. I'm still in my pajamas. The boys are in their room. Ethan ate breakfast already. Xavier has not, so I'm gonna go and check on him to see if there's anything that he needs. I look very tired and like puffy and ooh, I look bad. I am going to get some coffee and water and get hydrated and caffeinated, and then get dressed, and then we're going to sort out what we're going to do today. I have a lot of cleaning that I need to do. My hair is starting to look fuzzy because my scarf falls off routinely. Thank you, Ethan. This is all laundry that has been folded and unfolded. I need to wash my sheets and my blanket and my comfy layer, but I need to wash all that, so I'm not gonna make my bed. We have more laundry. The boys, oh goodness, the boys' messy room. I still need to put this together, and this mess is all rice left from last night. So I'm just gonna get all of this together. Like, all this stuff ends up right back to where I cleaned it off. It's like I clean it off just to make a mess again. It's just so gross. He's scared.
Yeah.
Xavier, come on, get dressed. What are you doing?
Iron.
You look like the very first Iron Man.
What?
No,
No, it's not. It's me.
it's you?
Yeah.
Whoa! That's mommy's. Don't break that. Don't break it.
It's a mop.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'll get my mat.
Okay.
I'm gonna order me my
by yourself the first time. Come here. Whoa. Oh! Come here, let me fix your pocket. Let me fix your pocket. Come here. It's stuck? You gonna keep that mask on the whole time?
Oh no.
No? Ethan, come bring my other purse, please. Come bring that to me, please.
Us all next to each other.
Still laying here. We're all completely dressed and ready to go.
This purchase was so easy that I did a quick
Let's
look
go,
at it.
Xavier. Come on, put your clothes on. It's 3 p.m. Just to let you know. It's not like it's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 3 p.m.
We need their two.
At Panera Bread, I feel like I am going to. Sorry, I don't feel good, so I'm gonna go to this drive-through and get some soup or something like that, and then I'll probably. Are y'all hungry?
Get him, Sharon. No match for me.
Are you showing them the toys?
Yeah. But if we around 2%, might as well bump it up a bit. Let's do this.
Now we're having a little bit of a picnic in the car. I've got my soup. They've got their Happy Meals, and we are actually just sitting looking at the water. The lake is in front of us, and we're looking at the water moving and stuff. And then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. I need to get a car wash, but it's gonna rain tomorrow. So once again, I'm gonna not get a car wash because it's gonna rain. Yeah, it is nice. Hey guys, so we are back from being out and about. We didn't really get much. The boys got some gummy bears, and I got this. I got this sugar-free pumpkin spice syrup to go in my coffee. I got this from HomeSense, by the way. I went in to look for some pillows that were like this color or like this color, but I found some, but they weren't the right texture. I have really been eating terribly today, but this is from Aldi, and I'm gonna put this one in the oven for myself. And then this is the same brand. It's just like the 3 cheese one, and I took it out of the box because I couldn't fit. I had 3 pizzas, and I couldn't fit all 3 pizzas in my tiny freezer. Like, it's so small. So I just left this one in a box and then took this one out. So I'm gonna put both of these pizzas in. So I need to go through all of this stuff and put it away. You all saw when I went on my staycation. Like, it wasn't like I just got back. No, it's been like a couple weeks. So I need to sort through this, see what needs to stay in here. I think most of this stuff can actually stay in this bag, but like this I can take out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sort through all this stuff, take it out, and then I'm gonna actually store my toiletry bag inside of the suitcase, in my suitcase, and put it back in the closet where I have it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm so sad. I reached my last pump. That's one thing I don't like about this, is that, I mean, you can't really tell when it's gonna be gone unless there's some trick that I don't know about. But it just makes me so sad because I'm like, I got a little bit out, so I'm definitely gonna use that. Xavier's dentist gave this to him so he can time how long he's brushing his teeth, and it's super cute, so that's why that is there. I will clean their bathroom when they go to sleep. So this is what I'm dealing with right now. I went ahead and put everything in the sink, just so I can, you ever just need to just get everything off of the counter. So I feel like I'm doing something, you know? So I'm just gonna go ahead and knock this out. Done. Now the sink is clean, all these dishes are clean, and the dishwasher is full of dirty dishes, and the pizzas came out of the oven. So all that happened, oh, and I unloaded those, so all that happened. I just remembered something. I wanted to transfer this rice. Now I gotta clean the pan. Okay, so this is, wow, this is very loud. So this is what the pizzas look like. They're a little crispy. Because I was doing the dishes and trying to get things together. This whole situation up here is still a mess, and you can see my laundry back there that I need to take care of. But pizza, laundry, which one would you choose? I don't have one of those pizza cutters, so we just gonna use a knife and just try to get through all the way to the bottom. Let's put that over. So these are the gummy bears Ethan got from HomeSense, and they're super cute because it's like the Halloween ones, and it's a huge bag. So this is where these are going. I took them while he was focused on his pizza. Okay, so first I want to say nobody judge me. I can't even open the door. I can't. Okay, literally, if I'm exaggerating. If I just move this, I'll be able to open the door. But like, we have wigs and hair. That whole bag is full of hair and wigs. I need to like pare down on that. That's all like work pants right there, which I can probably put in my dresser. I can probably pare that down. I'm getting rid of a lot of this stuff. Most of the stuff doesn't even fit with what I'm trying to do with my style right now. It's really a good size closet. It's just that I have so much stuff. Anyway, I should be able to fit all of my clothes like comfortably inside of this closet and in that dresser. So I'm gonna make that happen soon. But for right now, I'm in here looking for my, look, more hair. Oh gosh. Looking for my fall candles, and it's so dark. Like, what is this? This is marshmallow fireside. I have all my candles in like this bag. Oh, this has a pumpkin on top. What's this? Pumpkin pecan waffles. I'll take that out. Oh, I see a leaf. It's a leaf. Hold on. We got something. Yes, leaves. See? This packaging is like ancient, but it still smells the same. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells like fall. I'm about to light this right now. He literally went in his room and got his little step stool so he can blow my candle out. Stop, Ethan. Almost midnight now, so I am going to get in the shower and go to bed. I'm like really breaking out. I need to buy my moisturizer again because I'm like actually breaking out. So yeah, so I'm gonna go shower and then I'm gonna go to bed. Okay guys, I am all showered and feeling fresh. And I have my leaves candle going. I have Emily in Paris playing in the background. And my sheets are all fresh and clean. Ugh, this is about to be a good sleep. Oh my goodness, can you feel how good this sleep is about to be for me? Like, are you happy for me right now? Are you happy for me? I think I'm just gonna wrap this video here. I think we got a lot of footage today. So, you know, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm really enjoying posting these videos. And when you subscribe and comment and like the video, it lets me know that you're enjoying the videos too. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.